Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this Android security special head unit from Toyota Auris. It's 27 to 12 years. Okay, please take out this two screw before installing. It comes with special harness, so it plug and play. Okay. You can check this volume and this tuner, this home button, and the front mini USB there SD card slot. All apps are here. You can check. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car kit unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You can choose the Belsee. Back home, you can set logo and speed. It's music. Okay. You can change this panel color. Blue. Any color you can adjust this panel. Red and orange. Gray. Okay. All apps are here. It's built-in DSP sound amplifier and Bluetooth, easy connection for Mirrorlink, Android and iPhone. It's built in Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. Settings. About motion, you can check the PX5, Android 9, but you can update to Android 10Q system from our website. And the storage, you can check total 64 GB. Back the home. You also can change this button color on the settings. Person setting, LED settings. You can choose gray, change the gray color, and blue. Any color you can adjust this panel. You choose the red. Okay. Okay, let me introduce the Bluetooth. Column press can choose the Bluetooth app. Okay, Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. Bluetooth and click search. Connect Galaxy 134. Okay, it's connected. Show Bluetooth icon. You can make phone call. Okay, it works. And you can stream music from your phone. Okay. It works with stream music. Taskbar you can check, and I will show the video and music from USB driver. There are two USB cables. The USB driver connects one of the USB. It will play music automatically. It's DSP amplifier. Sub control, EQ, okay. Let me show the video. Video disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. And drama setting. Turn on the watch video. It supports 4K video. And it connects to Wi-Fi. You can open the Amazon. Our website is belsee.com. Still doesn't show. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.